What's up, guys? If you've seen, I powder coated my calipers for the Toyota Supra, which I'm sitting on it now, and I made this sticker and all, but inside you have the pistons. Now if you have calipers and you need to assemble the pistons because they are out just like mine, I'm gonna show you in a minute or so. This is how the caliper should look like. It has the piston inside and a dust booth right here and this clip to keep this in place. This is just to prevent sand or other things to get inside. You need to have a shop towel with some WD-40 so you can wipe those pistons. Now I'm gonna be sure that inside it is also clean. This caliper has 4 pistons. Usually in a normal car it might have only one on each side or 2 in one side. It doesn't quite matter. I'm just cleaning because I don't know, it's been a while since I took it out of the car. And then look at this, it goes in there. It looks much bigger, but you keep insisting and it goes in. I already cleaned those guys. Oh, come on. Sometimes it helps if you get like a big screwdriver like this, put on the top, and then you can push evenly. Okay, we got the dust booth put on the bottom, stretch to fit the top, and it is there. Then you got the clip. Done. So one side done. I have 2 more, but it is pretty much all we need to do, and you're ready to put in the car. So now with that done, I'm gonna go to the top, front of the caliper, throw those guys in, and then there is on the back, there's a little hole in there, and we're gonna use those holes to set this sort of a spring in there. And done. And that's pretty much it. This is gonna help. It's a support that the brake needs to stop in there and guide. So good to go. I hope this helps you. Don't miss the next videos because we're gonna drive a little bit of this guy. And